Hi there. So another unofficial MIUI 13 ROM is out, and that's what I'm gonna talk about in this video. This is MIUI 13SR for Miatoll by Avi Garg. This ROM can be used on Redmi Note 9s, Note 9 Pro, ProMax and POCO M2 Pro. The MIUI version, to be precise, is 13.0.1 and is based on Xiaomi EU ROM. This ROM comes with Android 12 and has the February security patch. This ROM also has RAM extension feature enabled by default. Let's talk about some other cool features that we global MIUI users are not entertained with. Number 1, sidebar. So this thing comes in handy at multitasking. It's similar to Samsung's App's Edge, and with this build you can make it sit on the left or right edge of your screen all the time, so it can serve you whenever needed. Number 2, Monet engine. Since this version is built upon Android 12, Material You theming is also present there and working fine, though you can't see it in Xiaomi apps or other MIUI components, but it doesn't go unnoticeable in Google apps like Gboard and Play Store. Number 3, new control center. MIUI 13 has a new control center with 2 vertical sliders for brightness and volume control, and this control center is not enabled by default, but you can give it a try by going to notification and control center settings, then control center style, and toggling on this MIUI 13 control center option at the bottom. It will need a reboot before it could take effect. You also get a persistent media player card on the control center, tapping which opens a set of handy media controls. Number 4, animations. The animations on this build are quite smooth and are abundant. These can be found everywhere. There's a subtle animation on the lock screen as well when you turn the screen on. Number 5, volume sliders with glass effect. Now the volume slider look more iOS-like than that ugly one with solid grey background. I'm a big fan of iOS, so this cool tweak has definitely impressed me. This is how it looks when expanded. I think it has become more compact than in the previous versions. Number 6, widgets. One of the biggest highlights of MIUI 13 is its widget ecosystem. This build only features widgets from system apps and not from theme store, as we've seen on other builds, but I must say that these widgets are neat and doesn't have Chinese text anywhere. Apart from these widgets, you also get the signature Android 12 widgets such as conversation widget and paint chips widget, which is Android 12's Easter egg. It extracts colors from your wallpaper and shows as a grid of paint chips, but you don't get the scallop or clover shaped clock widgets like on USB based ROM, but it's okay. All you get is this pill shaped clock widget with or without the background. Number 6, infinite scrolling in home screen. You also get infinite scrolling in home screen settings along with some other never before options like remove unlock animation and number of icon columns in folders. I also noticed that Google Camera is installable from the Play Store on this build and is working better than the stock MIUI camera available with this ROM. Number 7, MIUI Plus Beta. You get the premium MIUI Plus feature with this build. This feature eases your work when you're working on both your phone and computer. I haven't tried it yet, but it seems a nice addition. Number 8, Better Themes app. Like all Xiaomi EU ROMs, this build also has Chinese version of Themes app, which offers better and more aesthetic themes than its global counterpart, and also has the third-party theme import option inbuilt. Number 8, side panel on lock screen. This is not an exclusive feature, but it's something Xiaomi doesn't offer on global versions of MIUI, at least on low and mid-range devices. You can add your favorite apps so you can access them right from your lock screen. Number 9, 3 different charging animations. Also a common Xiaomi EU feature, this build lets you choose from 3 different charging animations: flow, glow and wave. Wave is exclusive to Mi Mix Alpha and flow is found on entry-level MIUI phones. Number 10, color profile video. Now you can set short videos as caller profile. Just select a short video or dynamic wallpaper, tap on this bell icon down here and enjoy it whenever someone gives you a call. Number 11. Safety and emergency. After digital well-being, this Google service is the next to make its way in Xiaomi settings page. It's a place where you'll find and set up all the stuff that could help during an emergency situation. Number 12. Battery modes. Now you get 3 battery modes to choose from. Like on Windows, you can set it to performance mode for the best out of your phone, or save battery mode to get the best out of your battery. The battery backup on this ROM is satisfying, neither bad nor excellent. Number 13. Add device frame. With this ROM, you get your screenshots framed inside the device mockup. That makes it impressively good to look at and feels classy to share. So these were 13 features that I had to share with you in this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.